What is going on, YouTube? It is your boy Parker, and today I'm going to show you my 2018 Honda Accord Sport with some upgrades that I've gotten some ideas from Honda Jon and Boosted Whips. Much love to you guys. I really appreciate you. You helped me a lot on this project. So without further ado, I'm going to kind of walk you around the car, show you what I've done to it, kind of talk through some of the things that I am going to still do with it, but I thought I'd show you where I was in my progress right now. I got this car last Tuesday, and it is Friday, so I had to work pretty quick. I hopped on and ordered everything the night that I got the car, and it's starting to come through. So first off, we've got the rear spoiler. I got this idea, and the rear window spoiler from Boosted Whips, so thank you very much for that. On the back here, I've got just the emblems. I am going to plasti dip those. I got that information from Dip Your Car. These exhaust pipes, the tips, I am going to paint matte black with some high temperature paint. I did just wrap the wheels thanks to Honda Jon. He talked me into that. They turned out really nice. And then I did get these carbon fiber valve stem covers. I did the chrome delete on this chrome here thanks to Honda Jon. Once again, man, much love. I appreciate you. I did get all tinted glass, 35% all around. These window visors here, I had a hard time finding them. The ones that I bought had chrome in this channel here. I did not like that, so I pulled it out and then bought some carbon fiber tape and just replaced the chrome channel with the carbon fiber tape. I think it turned out really nice. Got the mud flaps on it, so that was Boosted Whips. Thank you very much. On the front here, I still have that what is it, smoke chrome. I think I'm going to keep that. This Honda emblem right here, I would like to plasti dip that or get a black one if anyone knows. And then the license plate frames, I did go carbon fiber on those. But man, I think she's looking really nice overall. So there she is, looking really sharp. I might get the lip that goes along the bottom here. Boosted Whips just did one, man. It looks totally cool. Thinking about that, not sure. Boosted talked me into it. Honda Jon's been pretty successful talking me into stuff. This rear window here, I did just buy the gloss black louvers for it. I'm waiting for those to get here. But other than that, that's what I've got going on the outside. We'll go ahead and look on the inside here. Pretty much stock. I am going to be doing carbon fiber thanks to Boosted Whips. I ordered this piece, that piece there, the center console, this little cover that folds down. I ordered that in carbon fiber. I already have the gear shift, and we'll walk around on the driver's side. I'll show you what I'm doing over there as far as carbon fiber is concerned. So on the driver's side here, I did do the carbon fiber scuff plate, and then this one here, this is just some tread tape that I bought. I don't know that I'm going to keep that on there. It doesn't look like it's sticking real well. Got a full set of WeatherTechs, and I did order the carbon fiber piece here for inside of the channels here, and I do need to still get these pieces if I can find them. I've got the carbon fiber on the wheel here. I did order the little inserts for the H that are going to be carbon fiber. This piece here, it goes around the wheel. I did order that in carbon fiber. So it's going to be pretty well carbon fibered out, but that's what it's looking like on the inside there. I am going to go ahead and pop the trunk and show you what I've done there. So let's just take a walk around. Another big thank you to Boosted Whips. So there we go. First aid kit over here. Car cleaning accessories there. Weather tech in the trunk. And then I did do the LED light strip light thanks to Boosted Whips. I appreciate you, man. I went ahead and bought that from Crux Motors. And so pretty much, man, that's my 2018 Honda Accord Sport, Honda Jon, Boosted Whips. I appreciate you guys a lot. Sorry for the cut in the video. I'm going to try to edit that and make that look real slick. Video cut off when I went to get in the trunk. So guys, I appreciate you very much. Thanks for all your help with this Honda project. And when those parts start coming in from China and I get all the carbon fiber for the inside, I'll throw up a finished product. Appreciate you guys very much. I'll put links down in the description of everything that I bought. And if you need anything, if you need any help, questions, comments, put them in the comments down below. I appreciate you guys very much. Take care of yourselves.